Okay, so in the fiber room downstairs, we showed you where each of the pads of the antenna, the 72 pads, has a set of 12 fibers, 5 of which are actually used, which go to this large patch panel. When we change an antenna from one pad to the other, there are no changes made downstairs. Those are all permanently wired to each of the station pads. But this is the place where we actually move the fibers when an antenna moves from one pad to the other. So downstairs, the fibers were all named by their pad location. Here the fibers are named by their antenna number, which is the thing that we want. So if, for example, antenna 1 moves from its current location at station DW9 and moves to a different place, we will go to another one of these stations. For example, this one here, these are the far distant A configuration stations. The fiber would be removed from this place, moved over to this place, and from here it goes on into the signal analysis path, or from the place from which the local oscillator signals have been sent to each antenna. It's perfectly analogous to the old phone operator getting a call and moving the plug from one spigot into the other. This is something you might think we might have some big fancy switch, but we only move antennas every few months, and so it's hardly necessary to buy a fancy expensive switch for this. This is something where it's actually probably I can say it's fairly clear that it's more cost effective to have a human come and move the fibers from one place to the other.